So guess what we're doing today? We're actually going on a dolphin watching cruise. I'm so excited. And this is part of the Rudy tours. And that's gonna be our ship right there and right here. Rudy tours, that's us. And there's a lot of people. It's already kind of full. We're late by 10 minutes. The cruise is at 2 and we were supposed to be here 30 minutes prior to, so we're kind of late. But hi.
Thank you. You guys want to get a souvenir photo taken?
You want a photo taken?
Yeah, you want to?
Just together right in front of the step.
Oh, we're gonna take a picture. You want to go upstairs? By the way, this is the bathroom on the ship. It's so tiny. I'm standing here. The sinks there, kind of like an airport bathroom. And there's a... We're on top of the ship.
Okay, let's go down.
And it's so hot. You're gonna go down,
Yeah.
really? All the seats are pretty much taken. We're gonna go down. Might as well, yeah.
Oh, that actually feels good.
It feels good here too. Found a seat. And there's a lot of people. So this is all ocean. And that right there is the Virginia Beach ocean front. That's where we usually stop at. They have beaches there. And oh my god, this is so exciting! People jet skiing out on the water. And this is our guide.
Like to give you some tips on getting photos of these awesome dolphins. So
Alright, so we are seeing a whole bunch of
you guys
dolphins.
get some awesome views. We have dolphins all on our left hand side, so I'm sure to head to.
There's a dolphin.
Here
Right
is
there. Oh, right there, you guys, look!
family. They can find those fish very easily in the water as they can make a drumming or clicking
Right
noise,
there.
and they
Oh, I
vibrate
love
less than fish in
it.
water.
Just come. There's one right there.
If you can keep both feet on the deck, please, standing up on those benches.
Come on, dolphins. I love you. Come on.
And some great things dolphins here.
So apparently this is only 12 feet of water right over here. So the captain's turning the boat now, and now we're on the other side. There's a speedboat right over there, so fast. Alright, we're turning again.
We also start to see our sister vessel, the Rudy Rocket, heading our way right past 22-hour-long trips. Water turns really pretty blue color, gets really deep, so you can see a huge diversity of marine life. During some of our past trips, we were able to see fin whales, pilot whales, and see leatherback sea turtles, all sorts of cool stuff.
That right there is a speedboat tour that you can take. It gets you all wet. We did something like that in Canada, so I think I definitely want to do that. That looks like so much fun.
Just had a little pop up here off our left hand side.
abrupt end of this vlog, but I got so seasick towards the end of the tour that I threw up 3 times on the ship and I just could not vlog anymore.